creative friends. This is Joy coming to you with an art journal page. This is for the Year of Gratitude with Diane Wakely, and this is actually for the August challenge. So I was kind of behind on these, but I still wanted to do this. And it is I am grateful for smiles from strangers. So I just sprayed water on my page, and I'm putting these Diana Wakely acrylic paints on the page, and with a very wet brush, just trying to get some color on the page. And like I said, I sprayed water on the page to begin with because I wanted these colors to be soft. And this is a Dinah Weekly Media Journal that I'm doing these Year of Gratitude challenge pages in. And I put this orange on here, but I had to be a little careful about how I blended it with some of the other colors so I didn't get mud in there. So I was careful not to do that. So I'm just getting that on the page. And I decide that I want to try to lift up some of the paint with this stencil to kind of add a little bit of interest to the background. And then I saw that, some of the color was being transferred, and I didn't want that. So I was just wiping it off as I was moving this around and adding some of this or removing some of this paint from the background just to add a little interest to the background. So once I was happy with the background, I decided to dry it real quick. And I have this picture here that I got out of the Dinah Weekly Media Collage Collection. I thought would be really cute on this page, so I cut it out and I just went around it with some StazOn ink. And I'm deciding, what I want to do on this page. So I'm kind of looking at the picture and trying to take elements from the picture for this page. And I see that there is some hearts, so I decided to use the Dinah Weekly scribble sticks and add some hearts to this page to kind of match the hearts that are in the picture, because of course I want to have this picture you know um, match the page and be like an element on the page. And then once I put the hearts on there, I noticed that there was some black lines that were going across the picture, so I wanted to add some of those as well. But I had to dry the page first because I wanted to put this picture down on the page so that I can kind of match some of the black lines that I see that are going across the picture behind, that's in the background behind the girl. Actually, they're going across her face too a little bit. So I put that down where I wanted it, and then I grabbed the black scribble stick and then started adding some black lines to my background to kind of match what was in the picture to, so it looked like it was extending. And then that heart, I wanted to complete the other side of it off the picture itself. And then I decided to go around the hearts with the black scribble stick and then add more lines across the page. So that way it was a little more integrated into the page, even though it's, you can still tell it was kind of a picture that was stuck on the page, but still, I wanted to try to integrate it as much as I could in the page here. So then I decided to write on here, I am grateful for smiles from strangers, which is what this page is all about, with the black scribble stick. And I wasn't completely happy with the way that this was writing on there. I kind of wanted it like darker as far as the words on there, so they stood out a little bit more. So here I'm adding just some more lines around the page. So I took a little paintbrush with a little bit of water and was trying to activate the black to see, if it would activate. And it did a little bit, but it didn't really change it very much. It was still, not as dark as I thought it would be or I'd want it to be. And so I ended up grabbing my I believe it was my black Posca pen. Let's see here in a minute. Yeah, a black paint pen, and decided to go over it with that so that that would be darker on the page. So that's pretty much the art journal page that I did. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching. If you like this video, you can give me a thumbs up. You can also leave me a comment, or you could subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. So yeah, I'm going around the hearts with this paint pen as well, and the one what's on the picture, so that they all match. So that's, you know, and then on her little cheek. So thank you for stopping by and watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.